Hello guys. So I was in confusion that which I should choose, which domain I should choose because AI revolution is here. So we have to think right now. क्योंकि guys AI is replacing our jobs. It is growing exponentially. क्योंकि अगर हम नहीं सोचेंगे, अगर कॉलेज के एकेडमिक्स पर ही हम फोकस करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, चाहे आप कितना फुल फोकस एकेडमिक्स पे क्यों ना हो। उसके लिए आपको अलग से सोचना होगा, अलग से टाइम दे के सोचना होगा कि विच यू शुड चूज। सो लेट्स डिस्कस विच डोमेन वी शुड चूज एंड what type of job market will be influenced in future. Here are some major trends I will tell you, like AI and automation. Companies will automate repetitive tasks but still require human expertise for creativity, strategy and problem solving. And data driven decision making. Data will remain at heart of most industry. Sustainability and green tech. With climate change, green technology and sustainable innovation will be a key. Health tech. The healthcare industry will increasingly integrate AI, biotechnology and personalized medicine. Cyber security. As technology evolves, securing data and system will be critical concern. So skills, I will tell you some skills that will always be in demand. First one is problem solving and critical thinking, a skill that AI can't easily replicate. That is problem solving and critical thinking. Next one, adaptability and lifelong learning. Staying updated with technology trends is vital. Emotional intelligence. Roles require empathy and understanding will still need humans. Leadership and teamwork. Managing AI systems and teams effectively. So, promising field to focus on. There, there are some domains and why they matter, like AI and machine learning. Learn AI tools and frameworks, example TensorFlow, PyTorch. A skill in prompt engineering, model training, and AI ethics will grow in demand. Next option is data science and analytics. Data analysis and visualization skill will be necessary to interpret the massive amount of data AI generates. So learn Python, R, SQL and tools like Tableau. And third option is cloud computing. AI relies heavily on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Skill in cloud architecture and DevOps will be crucial. Next one is cyber security. Protecting AI systems and ensuring secure data will be essential. So learn about ethical hacking, network security, and cryptography. Green technology. Opportunities in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and sustainable innovation will grow. Human AI collaboration roles, AI trainers, explainability experts, and ethics consultant will bridge the gap between human and machine. Next one, creative and design fields. While AI can assist creative roles in marketing, content creation, and user experience design will require human ingenuity. And last one, healthcare tech and biotechnology. Knowledge in AI driven diagnostics, wearable health devices, and genetic engineering will be valuable. So pick a domain based on your interest and current skills and start learning. Use platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or YouTube. Work on projects, apply your skills practically to showcase your ability, and connect with professionals and stay updated with trends, and have a mindset like lifelong learning. Stay flexible to adapt to emerging technology. So if you are still confused that which domain align with your strength, I will show chart of each domain and align with your interest. You can go through it. Guys, while AI replace some jobs, it will also create new ones. Companies will always need skilled people to design, manage, and make sense of technology. So by focusing on fields that align with your interest and future trend, you can secure a fulfilling and stable career. And guys, if you depend only college, nothing will happen, no change will be there. क्योंकि guys, you are studying a outdated syllabus. In modern world, if the syllabus is 2 years old, that is also a outdated. एंड कॉलेज में तो 10 से 15 साल पुराना सिलेबस है. तो गाइज, चूज ए राइट करियर and focus on that. So thank you.